Welcome back to Tutorial Tuesday. In this episode, I will teach you how to use your lane keeping assistant and active cruise control. Both of these systems will use cameras and sensors in order to help you stay in your lane and also follow the traffic in front of you. If they slow down, your car will also slow down. Step 1 is to turn on your cruise control. First, press the top button, and when you're at your speed, press set. From there, you can adjust the distance of the car in front of you with this button, and also toggle on and off your lane keeping assist with the top button. All these green lines that you're seeing means that the system is on and working, and if you keep your hands off long enough, it warns you to put it back on. Remember, this system is designed to assist the driver, so please always stay attentive to all of your surroundings and don't do what I'm about to do. See you next Tuesday.